Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mansi Ludhwani and I hope you all are doing well. This video is going to be all about how to look expensive but on a budget. Yes, you heard me right. Today I will be sharing some tips or maybe some items or maybe the fabric, you never know. I'll share with you which will help you to look expensive. For that, you have to be with me till the end of this video. So yeah, let's not waste a single second and let's begin with the video. So yeah, the first thing which we are going to talk about is fabric. Yeah, the most important thing. Obviously, हम कुछ भी खरीदेंगे तो फैब्रिक बहुत मैटर करता है, क्योंकि अगर फैब्रिक कंफर्टेबल या ब्रीदेबल नहीं होगा तो ऑब्वियसली हम उसको क्यों ही लेना प्रेफर करेंगे, राइट? सो yeah, the first thing we will talk about is fabric. Now, there are too many fabrics available in the market, and there are certain fabrics which will instantly make you look expensive. So let me tell you, silk is the fabric which will obviously make you look stand out in the crowd. Now I understand that it's very expensive fabric and it's not affordable to buy each and everything in silk. I do understand that. What can be the alternative of the same? Well, we can go for satin. Yes. So the first thing which you should be having in your wardrobe is satin. Now it could be a satin shirt, a satin skirt, or maybe satin blouses, whatever. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे आप अपने wardrobe में रखो, लेकिन satin एक ऐसा fabric है जो instantly आपको expensive अपीयरेंस देने में हेल्प करेगा. वैसे अगर मुझे कोई प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट करना होगा तो आई विल ऑलवेज से गो एंड बाय अ गुड क्वालिटी सैटिन शर्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ that will last for decades, because obviously shirt एक ऐसी चीज है which is never going to go out of fashion, and trust me on that when I'm saying it. So yeah, buy yourself a satin shirt, and other than that, if you want to go for something, you can obviously go for. So yeah, this is the first thing which I would like you to add in your wardrobe. So the next thing which will help you to look expensive instantly is an all white outfit and all black outfit, all beige outfit, or any neutral color outfit. So yes, basically I mean कि एक monochrome outfit instantly आपके स्टाइल को अपग्रेड करने में हेल्प करता है, आपको एक्सपेंसिव अपीयरेंस देने में हेल्प करता है. आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन वन थिंग ओवर हियर. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जब भी आप कोई ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक आउटफिट क्रिएट कर रहे हो या वाइट ऑन वाइट आउटफिट क्रिएट कर रहे हो या एनीथिंग, बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हो. लाइक इफ द क्वालिटी इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क, let me tell you, the outfit is not going to work in your favor. So yeah, quality is the most prime thing which you should keep in your mind whenever you are buying something for yourself. Despite of what item it is, quality should be the best. एक और चीज जो कि मैं चाहती हूँ you should note it down is, बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या कलर्स चूज कर रहे हो. See, whenever you are going for a monochrome outfit and you have that thing in your mind that you want to look expensive, I would suggest ki go for neutral colors. That will instantly make your look, and trust me on that. Either all black outfit or beige outfit or white outfit, that will help you more than any of the colors. So yeah, invest in neutral colors. Also, neutral colors are something which will help you to create a number of outfits. So yeah, go for neutral colors. Moving on to another point. So if you are curating your wardrobe and you are thinking of having some items which will make you look expensive, I'll ask you to buy something having golden detailings. Now it could be anything. It could be a shirt with golden buttons. It could be a pant with some golden detailings, anything. And that will instantly make you stand out in the crowd, make you look expensive, make you look elegant. You will yourself feel very confident. And see, golden na बहुत luxury vibe देता है. और in case of jewelry also, it's okay if you are into silver. It's totally fine. But if you want to look expensive, add some golden jewelries at the same time. That will help you in so many ways, and obviously you will feel very confident. So yeah, that was all about this point. Let's move on to another point. So moving on to another point, अगर मान लेते हैं कि यू आर समवन जिसको गोल्डन ज्वेलरीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है एंड स्टिल you want to look expensive, then what kind of jewelries you should have? Go for pearl jewelries. Trust me when I'm saying it, pearls are the timeless accessories which are never going to go out of fashion. And if you are somebody who do not own it till now, please buy a good quality of pearl accessories for yourself. Now it could be anything. It could be in the form of earring, maybe a neck piece, maybe a handcuff, a ring, maybe anything. Whatever you feel like buying for yourself, go and please buy it for yourself and you will instantly look expensive. So yeah, that was all about this point. Moving on to the last point, which will help you look expensive, is a belt. So yeah, belt is something which is also a very timeless thing. Will provide that sophistication in your outfit, will totally change the vibe of the outfit. When it comes to belt, फर्स्टली जो चीज़ बहुत मैटर करती है इज द कलर प्रेफरेंस ऑफ द बेल्ट. मैं आपको ये सजेस्ट करूंगी कि अगर आप अपने वार्डरोब में बेल्ट ऐड करने वाले हो तो गो फॉर न्यूट्रल कलर्स, because obviously that will help you to create number of outfits और मोस्टली सारे outfits के साथ न्यूट्रल कलर्स वर्क करते हैं. और अब जब हम बकल्स की बात करते हैं तो go for golden buckle. That will instantly uplift the vibe of the outfit. As I mentioned in one of my previous points also कि golden detailings are the very essential part of the items which you are putting on your body and it makes your look expensive. So same way here, go for golden buckles and it will help, and I assure you, you are gonna hit all of your outfits. So yeah, that was all about this point. So that was it, and I hope you find this video helpful and useful for yourself. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do. And also don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Also, I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.